Eh? It's gonna hurt my finger. Alright, today I'm going to be working on the sliding door here. Trying to attach some sort of magnetic latch here so that this door can be clicked shut to prevent babies from crawling through and falling down these stairs and cats from coming up here when we want them to stay in the basement. So I have two magnetic latches here, and I'm not sure which one I can rig up to make work. This one is like that. This one is more like a regular cupboard one. Looking at attaching them right up in here in the track, and then maybe somehow on top of the door. All right, we're gonna go with this simple striker plate magnet. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a hole in here, recess this in so it's flush, and then just mount the striker plate on the door. Oh, that'll be good. That'll work. Okay. So now we're going to fill it up with glue. Try it out.
We need a stronger magnet. We probably need one up at the top.
I'm very disappointed. So this isn't really meant to. This is just to hold cupboard shut. Arg! Hey Matthew, do we have any really strong magnets? So the magnet that came with that door closer was not strong enough, so we are going to pillage magnets from an old hard drive we have here. That's a star. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Nope, it needs a special one. So now you're going to see the inside of an old-fashioned hard drive.
Dad?
What?
How can the magnet be in there?
Oh, there's magnets in here. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Some very strong magnets in here. So strong they can pick up a truck.
No.
Eh? It's going to hurt my finger. Okay, so this magnet is not strong enough. It comes off quite easy, and it's not going to hold the door shut. It's really more meant for a cabinet. But here's a hard drive magnet. Let's just look at the difference in strength. 1/4 inch. So just around 1/4 inch it actually was able to pull it. Let's just see what happens here. Oh, look at that. It's already moving them. See? Look at that. I don't know, it was about 1 inch when it started moving it, so it's maybe 4 times as strong, who knows. All right, I've cut off the extra little bumps around this, and now I'm going to mount this. go. Let's give it a try, see if it actually shuts nice. It's a big test. Ooh, it's sticking nicely. That's interesting. So when I push on this handle, it sticks so hard, the whole door is slightly out of whack. So what I'm gonna do is take this plate off and put less steel there just to basically weaken the grip of the magnet. So I PL'd this on. I take a little chiseling to get it off. Get a little. There we go. What I'm going to do is just try a single screw. I'm just gonna do a pilot hole. Don't want to split this. See how this closes now. It is sticking a little bit, but not enough. I'm gonna first try backing the screw out a little bit. That helps a bit. Still a little too easy, so we're gonna add one more screw. Add one more screw. All right, let's try it. Ooh, nice. Perfect, this is perfect. All right, so let's plaster this up. Oh, this is weird. So the plaster's sticking to my tool. I need a plastic tool. Guys, do we have any plastic like toys or tools I can use?
We've got plastic knives.
Alright, a little bit of primer. Always use primer over top of your spackle. Final coat. So one of the best painting tools I invested in recently and is making cleaning up a lot better is a paint brush comb. You get all the paint out of your brushes, they last longer, and it's quicker to clean them. Basically, you just put your brush in there and you just comb out all the paint. It goes twice as fast, it gets a lot cleaner. Paint comb, it helps the water get in there and get all the paint out. So if you're someone who's just starting to do some painting around the house, get a paint comb, you won't regret it. Alright, here's the finished product. Painted up, 3 screws, and the hard drive magnet, you can hardly see it. Especially if you don't know it's there, you're not going to see it. There we go, not too much force to open it, but enough that a little baby probably can't open it. You can't get in. Guess it's childproof.